Oil got that lift today following a report by the International Energy Agency, which said that prices may have hit a bottom. As a result, domestic crude finished up nearly 2% to $38.50 a barrel. That's the highest level since December and a 7% gain for the week. Jackie DeAngelis tells us what the IEA sees.
The million-dollar question for oil: have prices bottomed? The International Energy Agency said today it's possible. The IEA's most recent report citing reduced output in the United States and from other non-OPEC producers as one reason supply and demand should begin to come back in line. It also said Iranian output hasn't been as dramatic as believed before. In fact, here in the United States, the agency expects production will decline this year by more than 500,000 barrels per day. It also said OPEC pumped 90,000 less barrels per day last month. All positive signs that will support oil prices. But it's not just the IEA report influencing prices, it's also seasonality.
Usually around starting Memorial Day is where we let's say have our climax here, and to see if the market really is, a strong usage market. Again, I can't foresee it yet. I think it's going to be a big driving season, and I do see the prices holding firm.
$40 is a key psychological level for oil prices. We're edging closer and closer. But does this rally have legs to break through and hold?
In crude oil, I would think we're talking about $36 to about $42 near term. I think with, let's say, a very strong driving season, we could work our way probably to the high 40s.
Still, last year we saw a similar bounce in oil prices in the early spring. But in late June, prices dropped dramatically again. The concern right now is the recent rise in price might actually encourage more production, which would only depress prices once again.
I don't think this is a market that's a runaway bull market by any means. There's a lot of inventory out there, and there's going to be, let's say, a moderate growth here, let's say, in the price over the next 3 to 6 months, which would make perfect sense here.
Another risk to the downside, the dollar. Relatively quiet for now, but another move higher could hit commodities. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.